Hello guys, this is Ishmael from 90-Second Web Hub. In this tutorial, we are going to take a look at how to add a live chat to our website project in 90-Second Website Builder. Now, this is a sample of what I mean by live chat. So as you can see in here, we can chat to either sales or support or the customer service center to get some details or information about whatever you may want to be doing on the website. Now, this is Zendex. It used to be Zopim. The address stays the same, which is zopim.com. So you can simply go to zopim.com and then you arrive on this page. Now, if you don't have an account, you may have to create an account, which is free. You can get a free account, which gives you some kind of tools that you may be able to use on your website. So I already have an account. So I'm going to go ahead to log in. So I am already logged in, and then what I'm going to do is to come to the section where I'm going to install the live chat on my website in 90-Second Website Builder. So at this section, I'm going to come to the settings section, and then I'm going to scroll to the very bottom where I see widget. Now when I come to the widget page, there is a code in here which has some instructions to it. It says, copy the following script and insert it into your website's HTML source code between the head tags. So let's just go ahead and grab this code. So I'm going to copy this, and then I'm going to come to my 90-Second Website Builder, and then I'm going to go to page, and the page I'm going to locate, that is page HTML. What I'm going to do is to paste this code in between my head tags. So I'm going to expand this a bit, and as you can see, I have my head tags in here, and I'm going to paste that here. I'll go ahead and hit on OK. I'm going to go ahead to publish my project and then preview it in my browser. So I'm going to come to the publish icon, and then I'm going to specify the location I want to publish this to. Now, it is very important to have this project published to a server. In my case, I have a local host server, which is XAMPP. I'm going to publish it to my htdocs folder. So I'm going to go to new, and then I'm going to browse the location where I'm going to publish this project to. So I'm going to expand my local drive C, and then I'm going to expand my XAMPP. And then I'll come to the htdocs, and then I'm going to create a new folder. I already have a folder created which is called live chat. I'll go ahead and select the folder, that's live chat. I'll go ahead and hit on OK, and then publish my project. So I have my project published. I'm going to go to the browser to verify that if I have that rightly done. So let me just come to my browser, open a new tab, and then I'm going to type localhost, and then I'm going to add live chat to it, and then I'm going to verify that I have my Zopim or Zendex live chat installed. So as you can see, I have my live chat installed here, which I can use to initiate a chat. So that is it for this tutorial. Thank you very much for watching. Bye for now.